Hey guys, this is Vasu and you're watching Technovas. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 steps on how to grow your technical channel on YouTube super fast. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. And guys, before we start the video, make sure you drop a like on the video. And if you're new to my channel, then consider subscribing. Guys, point number 1, directly get into the topic. Guys, guess that you're a big YouTuber with millions of subscribers. Obviously, your fans or your subscribers will wait and watch the video till the end. If you're a new YouTuber, then try to convey the message as soon as the video starts. For example, if your video is based on how to grow a YouTube channel and someone clicks on your video, start the video by telling, I'm gonna show you 10 ways or 5 ways on how to grow a YouTube channel. And guys, don't be like, oh hey guys, this is Vasu and you're watching Technovas. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and also share this video. And guys, share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and also share especially on WhatsApp. Guys, please don't do like that. Just directly get into the point. If you do like this or create all this drama, people will just click off your video. And this will lead to bad audience retention. And obviously this will lead to bad watch time. And your YouTube videos will not rank and your YouTube channel will die. Point number 2. Guys, for any technical channel, audio quality is more important than the video itself. And people watch your technical channel to clear the technical problems. And if your audio quality is like, hi guys, this is Vasu and you're watching Technovas. Hi guys, this is Vasu. So guys, people will just click off your video and search other videos on YouTube. There are hundreds and thousands of videos on YouTube with better quality than you. So try to make your quality as much better as possible. Point number 3. Guys, directly get into the point as soon as the video starts. Don't add channel intros or video intros on your new YouTube videos when you're starting out on YouTube. And don't ask them like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't ask like, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Tumblr, in Twitter, etc, etc. If you want people to watch at least 15 to 20 seconds of your YouTube video, then guys, congratulations, that person will watch at least 80 to 90% of the video. Point number 4. Make your video as short as possible. Guys, make your videos as short as possible. It doesn't matter that your channel is based on technology, cooking, except cooking, or comedy channel. Make the videos as short as possible so that those videos can generate high amount of watch time and audience retention. Guys, try to finish the video as soon as possible in like 2 to 3 minutes. And don't add channel outros. That's a big mistake you'll make. For example, guess that if someone is watching a video and at the 80% or 90% at the end of the video, you'll give a clue like, guys, please do like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. So this is the time that people will get a clue that your video is ending. So they'll just immediately click off the video. Guys, if you're a new YouTuber, then just follow my steps. Don't add an outro at the end of the video. And don't ask for like and subscribe. Finish all that at the beginning of the video. Guys, as soon as you finish talking about a particular subject in your video, just cut the video then and there itself. The person who's watching the video should be like, when did the video end? Guys, this method will get you 100% good audience retention. If you have a good audience retention, your watch time will be good as well. And YouTube will start suggesting your videos to random people all across the YouTube platform. So your videos will have a chance to go viral. Guys, before we go to the 5th point, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Point number 5. Don't share your videos on WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram if your videos are based on technology niche. Guys, I know you guys will be like, what is this fellow? He's not telling to share the video on Facebook, on WhatsApp and Instagram. What happened to this fellow? Guys, I'm serious. If your channel is based on technology niche, stop sharing your videos on Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp. These tricks will kill your channel just like that. Guys, the reason is that your channel is based on technology niche or some particular topic on technology. Guys, guess that you make videos on how to grow on YouTube or how to gain subscribers or how to gain views. And if you have like 100 friends in your friend circle, not everyone will be interested in your videos. So if you share these videos to your friends, at least for some concern, they'll open the video, watch few seconds and they'll just leave. Guys, this is so bad to your YouTube channel. You're killing your channel by yourself. If someone clicks on your video, watch few seconds and if they just leave, it signals YouTube that your videos are not good. So the algorithm stops suggesting your videos. Guys, even if you get like 5 or 10 YouTube views organically on your YouTube videos, it's more than enough. I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on the video. And guys, if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, then you're on the right place. Start by clicking on that subscribe button and tap on that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, okay, ta-ta, see you.